Morning, guys. We are getting ready to go to set up at camp. I pretty much got everything we need. I made a list and I have everything on the list except for the food we need to put in the cooler. So that is pretty good because I always forget something, but we are right on track. Bear is ready to go fishing, so we're gonna try to fish this afternoon. We're gonna try to fish. I have my backpack carrier for Sophie. We could go for a walk. We need a fish, huh? Look at Bear.
I need time. I need work.
What are you doing out here?
I need a time. Need a work.
Oh, okay. Are you waiting for Dad?
Yeah.
Is he going? Did he go to get the fort?
Yeah.
Emma is at the garage getting the capper. So we're just waiting on him, and he's grabbing the coolers and stuff so we could put the food in. But
Get out of there, bird.
get out of here, bird.
Mama.
What?
Get out of there, bird.
Get out of there, bird.
Mama. That is getting a food in the guac.
Yes. Let's check on Sissy. The last thing I really need to pack up is Soph's pack and play. She's chilling in there. Hi, baby. Are you chilling? Are you chilling? Are you chilling? She is the best girl ever. So we are almost packed up and ready to go. Say good morning. Say good morning, Grandma.
Good morning, my honey.
Morning, Val. Is it comfy? Is it comfy? You okay?
Yeah. Let's go back.
Okay, but you have to be really careful, okay?
Yeah.
Or should we go down the other way?
This way.
Okay, hold my hand.
Okay.
You're okay. We just gotta slide. Just take it really slow. Almost there. Almost there. There we go. There we go. Do you got the worms?
Yeah.
You got it, babe? Not gonna trip?
No.
Okay.
You gotta go slow.
You got it. You got it.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go this way. I know. Sophie, how you doing? How you doing back there? Huh? You okay, Pooh?
Yeah.
You got it? Hold on, hold on. You're gonna trip. Do you want a worm on your rod or do you want one of your other baits?
Right out here. Oh, we got water.
I'm gonna make that
It was so pretty because it was like
That is beautiful.
It is. It's like.
it was like an orangish.
That fell.
It was like an orangish pinkish color, and then it has like, do you know how?
In the tent's on the way now, but this is a pretty picture, like right in between the trees here.
Sweaty.
You kiss the way you rock. I love the way we're breath is where the walk. I love the way you call me little child.
Huh? Did you sleep in your big boy bed
Yeah.
in the fort?
In four.
Did you go to the lake with Grandma and Auntie Rox?
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was fun. Huh?
There.
Let's see. And what are you doing, Missy? She's being. Baby. Here we go. Is it nice and warm?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Cold is not coming. Cold. Cold is not coming.
No, cold is not going to get you no more. There you go. Is it warm?
Oh.
I'm fixing it because it's popping out from the bottom. And what are you doing brushing your hair? Okay, hold on. Daddy went to grab your hat. It has been a busy, it's not even the middle of the week and it's been such a busy weekend. You guys saw the camping trip. It was so much fun. We took it easy. Sophie did really good. She was still kind of small. She didn't really know where she was, so she was kind of cryful during the night, but Bear loved it. Bear did awesome. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel if you have not. Like this video if you liked it, and I will see you guys in the next one.
Oh,